red one. This is a red one.
Okay. So this bed here, this raised bed here became a disaster. For some reason I also ended up giving up because I kept trimming the tomatoes, but they were just getting out of control. So I just gave up. So today I'm checking what's happening. I was actually here to check for the watermelon because I planted just one plant of watermelon, and I can see some. Oh, that one just broke, which means it wasn't doing well. But I see one here, and I saw another one here, and I saw quite a few. There are quite a few, but I have to deal with this because it's now hanging on a tomato plant, so I need to fix that. But one thing that I did not expect is this. Wow, look at this. And there are a lot. And I know I threw in some seeds in here, but okay, yeah, here's the plant actually. I threw in a few seeds, so which means there are some inside here that are ready that I also need to pick. But I think I'll pick them tomorrow. I don't know if I should pick them now. This bed is stressing me out. Okay. Let me just go surprise my hubby. Or should I leave them? I feel like let me just take them. Oh, here's another watermelon. Oh man. Yeah. Moral of the story is do not give up on your vegetables, because now I'm dealing with such a big mess in here. And there is also a sweet potato plant in here somewhere, and I can see it is now covered with these tomatoes here. It's just a mess. Does this thing have any tomato? Oh yeah, it does. Okay, I'm not going to panic. I'll find a way to sort out this. I'll give these tomatoes a few more days, and then I'll harvest all the red ones and then remove them. Yeah.
Heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life. Most handsome man I'd ever seen. I said, you must be the love of my life. Hold on now. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy
Put it in the box. Compare. Can you hold two from the ones that I can see?
Wow! A big carrot. I want a big carrot out. Carrots are very good.
Wow, Naomi.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger, we are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. So let's come together. Yeah, let's come together. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today.
guys.